Hello, this is Christian with Apollo Screen and Shade. Just wanted to show you the difference between a high quality retractable screen and a low quality retractable screen. So when you're using our door, when you're pulling it across the opening, you do not have to be gentle. You don't have to be careful really at all. So when you're pulling it across, you can do it as fast or slow as you'd like. It's not going to get damaged. It's very hard to pop it off of the track. So when you're walking in and out of our door, say if you were to run into it, it'll pop open like that. You have a couple feet of give before anything rips. And say that you're running or walking really fast into the actual door itself and it does pop off of the track like so. Now it's off of the track. You can pop this door right back on the track and it's working just like new. This cap here is grabbing onto the rail nice and tight. And then when you need to pop it back in, you just put it at a slant and it goes back in and it's like new, right? Same thing with the bottom. So can you come down here? Like it never happened. Other doors that you'll experience, or your friends, anybody has, they might have like a lower quality retractable screen if this isn't able to be done. The bar, when you're walking in and out of the door, this is a demo unit, but when you're walking in and out of the door, this bar here is not going to go anywhere. It's not fragile. It'll take a lot of force to actually bend this. I've never actually had that happen in 20 years. It's going to fall out like this. You'll never be able to do that with our screen.